x raised to power 1 plus x raised to power 2 plus x raised to power 3 plus till x raised to power 11 is equal to x minus 3 plus x raised to power 12 divided by x minus 1. Having a question like this, you must consider some facts for you to know exactly where to go. 1. This is a geometric series. This is a series. And this series, you must consider, is this an AP or GP? So you must consider maybe it is arithmetic progression or geometric progression. These are the two things you must consider. How do you know if it is arithmetic progression? If it is AP, you say that x1 minus x to the power 0, is it equal to x3 minus x2? So they were not equal. So automatically it is not an AP by finding the common difference. But to consider it is GP, GP is about the ratio s raised to the power 1 over s to the power 0 is equal to s raised to the power 1, which is equal to x. Let us also consider s raised to the power 3 over s to the power 2 will give you s raised to the power 1. So automatically s to the power 1 is equal to s. So this question is a geometric series. So now consider that in geometric series is 0, s raised to the power 0 to 11 will surely give you 12 terms. So it will surely give you 12 terms. So now, in giving you 12 terms, what are we to consider? Most important thing to consider in this question is 1. You must consider the common. We are able to get the common ratio of this. We have gotten the common ratio of these questions. So, which is x, r is equal to x. So we consider much that there is something we must also consider, which is the summation. Now, there is something you must also consider again, is that in the summation, you discover that the common ratio is greater than 1 because r is x. Now, at the same time, you must also consider that there is a fixed term, which is a. A is the fixed term, and a is what? S to the power 0. That is the fixed term. This is how to apply to this formula. So let's start solving. Now, let's put it in place. So x12, as I've said earlier, is 12 terms. And the common ratio, let's consider this. The fixed term is s to the power 0 and the r is x. So therefore, so a is s to the power 0 onto r raised to power, so, and our r is x, s to the power 12 minus 1 over. So, to divide, what is the value of our r is x minus 1. So x12 will give you 1 into the bracket of s raised to the power 12 minus 1 to divide x minus 1. So the value of our x12, the sum of 12 terms, so to now give you x raised to the power 12 minus 1 over x minus 1. So this is the sum of the 12 terms of this geometric progression. So if we have been given in this form that the sum of the geometric terms is, we have gotten the sum for this. The little answer that will just be gotten is for just this. So the sum for this is what we get in this recent solution. So now, what x do you now want to consider is that you are now going to make it to be equal to, record that this summation is also equal to x minus 3 plus s to the power 12 minus divide by x minus 1. So let's consider this in common. So recall that x, the sum of 12, is the same thing as x minus 3 plus x raised to the power 12 to divide x minus 1. And from our answer, we discover that from the answer that we've gotten just now, it is x raised to the power 12 minus 1 over x minus 1. So let's try to multiply all through. Multiply all through by x minus 1. So in multiply all through by x minus 1, we have x minus 1 to multiply x minus 3 plus x minus 1 to multiply x raised to the power 12 over x minus 1 is equal to x raised to the power 12 minus 1 over x minus 1 to multiply x minus 1. So now, what x do you now want is that you have to simplify this. So in the point of simplification, you expand this x times x will give you x squared minus 3x minus x plus 3. Now this will cancel this, plus x raised to the power 12 is equal to, this will cancel this, x raised to the power 12 minus 1. So let's add these two together. We have x squared minus 4x plus 3 plus x raised to the power 12 is equal to x raised to the power 12 minus 1. So we consider by solving this solution. So therefore, let's try to simplify better. So we have x raised to the power 12 minus x raised to the power 12 minus 4x is equal to minus 4x. There is a little plus s squared, yes. Now plus s squared. So this is this x. You have to consider this x squared. So therefore, we have to minus 4x plus s squared is equal to minus 1 minus 3. So by the time this one will turn to 0, so we have minus 4x plus s squared is equal to minus 4. So let's try to turn this one to a proper quadratic equation. So which we have s squared minus 4x plus 4, which is equal to 0. So how do you now try to simplify this? We find two numbers. For example, we have minus 2x to multiply minus 2x, it should only give you plus 4x squared. After you have multiplied this and this together. So in view of that, so we have s squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4, which is equal to, you bracket it like this. So s is common in the first cases. We have x minus 2 onto x minus 2. So from that place, we have x minus 2 onto x minus 2 is equal to 0. So telling you that x minus 2 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 or s is equal to 2. Telling you that s is equal to 2 twice. So this is the final answer. So x is equal to 2 twice. So this is answered for this solution. So try to share this video. Thanks for watching.